This is the mirror trim piece. It would look something like this in the vehicle, except you're looking at the ceiling of the vehicle there. 2023 Chevy Bolt EUV, and took this out so that I can do some work with electronics underneath it, and I want to show you how to get this off. It's very intimidating. There are no screws or fasteners that one can readily see, and what we're told to do is pull on this. So if you can get your hands here, which you usually can, you can start prying. And what I want to show you is that the only thing really holding this in place is this catch here, and then everything else is a guide. So basically you pull on this shell, it starts to come down. To remove, we just grab along the edges and pull down, work it, and there's one more snap there, and that's as far down as it will go for two reasons. The mirror's in the way, plus if you don't remove this plate, you can't get the rest of the trim off. Of course, your mirror is still attached, so that's only going to let it come down so low. So what I do is I just stretch out the mirror. So instead of having this folded up, you stretch that out, and that'll allow this shell to drop down even lower, because you can't remove this shell without removing this little piece here. And this piece is the tricky part. We have two catches, and that's what holds this little plate in position. There are two guides further up, but they actually don't hold anything. So in order to free this, you're going to have to push to the outside as you pull down on the plastic, which is why you need room to work with, and I recommend extending out the mirror so that this drops down, this whole shell drops down as low as it can. And so let's see if I can demonstrate it to you. You push out and down, out and you see the tricky part is that you don't want to break the tab. They could have come with a better system with fasteners. Now once those two tabs are released, this drops out. There are two tabs up front. They're just guides. These are also just guides. So with that out of the way, this can now be released and it drops out from the vehicle. And then to reassemble it, well, actually at that point you could remove your mirror if you want to work on the electronics and stuff. But to reassemble, if you detach the mirror, you reattach it, put in all your electronics. You get this into position back where the mirror is exposed to it, right? And then these two catches will secure it in place, and then you'll come in with a small piece of plastic, slide up so that the guides, these two guides, come right into place, and then these two guides will automatically line up, and then you just press up and that locks it into place and it's secured and you're done. We're going to take our trim piece, bring it up behind the mirror, line it up. There are two places that it catches above the mirror, and then a couple more on the outside, and that should do it. I have one trim piece that still needs to go into place, and that has little guides up in the front of it. I think you can see those teeth there, yeah. And that slides behind the mirror, and then I press up. There are two snaps, and the trim unit is installed. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. join the subscription team. And as always, thank you ever so much for watching.